Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video on how to rap, on how to kill any beat you rap on, how to kill any beat you rap on. Alright, first tip, you're gonna write your rhymes down. Alright, you're writing your rhymes down, put your heart and soul into your rhymes, but don't overthink it. If it's taking you more than 5 minutes, more than 2 minutes to write a line, you're overthinking it, just write it. Keep on going, get those rhymes flowing. Alright, second tip, rap on it, play the music and rap over it. Alright, that's the first tip, write rhymes. Second tip, you rap over it. Alright, I got one more tip for y'all. Hey, like the video, it's a good video, spreading that knowledge, that value to the rappers out there, for people that want to build your confidence. And subscribe to the channel. On my channel, we're all winners. Let's win it. Let's get it, man. Alright, spit out the gum real quick. Rhymes heavy, walking downtown sidewalk. Am I wrong? Need this quick money to be stress free. Walked in the store, I need more. Straight to the money, give me the money. His eyes frightened, his thought tightened, his throat tightened. At this point, give me the change in your wallet. The gun pointed in his eyes by his surprise. Karen ran out calling 911. My face is covered. How do I recover from this? I want my life to be bliss. Ran out the store, left the money, ran down the street. Breathing heavy, eyes are sweaty, can barely breathe. Dipped into the shadows, I ain't that type of guy. Next week, got a job at the corner store. He had no clue it was me. I am free, work a job, stay out of trouble, hitting the rubble, aim for me. I'm a gentleman, classy man, making money legally. Took me 10 years, the world takes me seriously. My old self, bet I'd be better, that's what we agreed. I'm a young man with a goal, in my mind will grow. In due time, go slow, not my rhymes, living divine, lyrics divine. Beat, damn, who made this? Outrageous, got me liking Tupac's music. This beat, I stole it, I killed it. My witness, I'm like this, I'm that guy. My music, you love it. Ethan Esquivel, you've had enough of him. That was my freestyle right there. That rhyme, I wrote that over this beat. Took me like 10 minutes to write that verse. Alright, the third tip on how to kill any beat. Extract confidence. Ooze confidence out of your body. How do you get confidence in yourself, Ethan? Well, I just had to admit it. I'm not the best rapper in today's era, in today's time, but I will in due time if I keep on practicing. Gotta keep practicing over my rhymes, writing the lyrics, living the vine. My life is amazing. How do I sound so good when I rap? It's because I would practice and I would post it on my social media. I've been writing rhymes and rapping for since January, so about 6 months now. You got this. Let me go over the tips again. Write your rhymes, rap over your rhymes, and then be confident when you're rapping. That's how you kill any beat. And this is Tupac's song, man. This is amazing. This beat goes hard. This beat goes hard like a steak at dinner at 7 o'clock, more like 8. I ate some good breakfast today, pancakes with peanut butter and jelly. Not really that type of guy, but I'm gonna try it this time with a banana and a strawberry on the side, with whipped cream on top and a cherry on the top. Don't hide when Ethan comes around. You know I'm the best rapper, who wanna go against me? I'm the best freestyler in town. My name, my brown skin will tame any of you fakes. Don't play with me. I'm alright, I'm okay, more than okay. I'm the next biggest rapper coming up from where I live, what I become, where I've grown, where I'm going, like Tom Hanks and Forrest Gump. I just ate my first steak at 8 o'clock today. Alright, like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Man, it's a good day. We're gonna win, man. Like and subscribe. We're gonna win in 2023.